Today we're going to focus on actually installing the hot water heater that we got. It's a small hot water heater, but it's very efficient. It's got a lot of good ratings, and we're going to set it up and put it in the back of the bus underneath the bed. But before we actually put the unit in, there's a few adjustments to some of the framing inside we need to make so that it'll fit. And right back here next to the water tank will be the hot water heater. It's going to get a door or an opening right here. So the first thing I need to do is cut this 2x4 so it lays flat on the floor, and then I'll mark the top, measure, and then go outside, drill the 2 holes, and then cut the opening from the outside. And the hot water heater that I got is broken. It just didn't come with the actual like LED screen that turns it on and off, and you can set the temperature. So I'm using the one that I have now as a template, sending that back, and then I ordered one that has the LED screen. Here's the back of the bus. That is the bedroom window there. And then right here, that is the hole that I drilled. So the next one will be over here, and it'll make its way down to a square right here. The hole there, I need to cut the lines that are gonna be the sides of it. And my weapon of choice is the angle grinder, and I'm gonna use the angle grinder because it's not a flat surface. It has these ribs here, so I think it will be easier than a jigsaw to cut this particular area with the angle grinder. Now I just need to cut this piece out from the inside, and right down here should line up exactly with the floor on the inside. Okay, so it looks kind of sloppy. The next step is I lined up the cover with this hole and where it's going to sit, and then I marked here and here. And this is the spot where I need to cut both of these rub rails so that the cover will fit flush against the bus. I'm going to cut these two. This piece of cardboard is to protect the bus and paint when I cut this, and then I'll try to put another piece on the back side of this one when I cut it as well. Alright, so apologize, the battery died last night, but we do have the door secured. The only thing we don't have yet is the butyl tape. So I ordered the butyl tape, that'll be in, and then we can finally seal it up. But the door is on, as you can see here. And then the 2 rub rails, I used some foam to spray in the sides to block that up, and then I'll put some Bondo there. Then we will seal that up and paint it to make sure it all matches and it's the same. The last thing we need to do is, just like I said, to get the butyl tape and fully seal it up. But I would say that this project is done for right now. We can hook everything up once we get the water lines inside. But as far as right now, we're done with the door. And yeah, that is our task. That is completed. So I appreciate you guys watching, and I'll see you in the next video.